Plaque is a common cosmetic issue for both men and women. It's a sticky film that accumulates on your teeth. Plaque contains a mass of bacteria, and if left untreated, it can lead to gum disease and halitosis, bad breath. Sadly, you can't do anything to prevent the formation of plaque on your teeth. However, there are several natural treatments you can do at home to prevent or reduce plaque accumulation. Due to nicotine, plaque deposits in smokers are dark yellow, and the same is true of people who drink lots of coffee. Although it seems harmless, plaque is actually the first phase of what may result in tooth decay and even tooth loss. The conventional dental procedure for plaque removal is known as deep prophylaxis. The procedure is affordable, but most people avoid it simply because they are time-bound or don't like going to the dentist. If you also belong to this group, read on and find out how you can improve your dental health using simple, yet effective natural remedies at home. Home remedy number 1. Ingredients: 1/2 liter water, 60 g nutshell flour. Directions: mix the ingredients in a pot, then bring to a boil. Simmer for 10 minutes over low heat. Remove from heat and let cool. You should get a paste-like mixture similar to toothpaste. Use this to brush your teeth for 5 minutes twice a month. Home remedy number 2. Ingredients: 2 sunflower seed flour, 2 lime juice, 1/2 liter water. Directions: use a pot to mix the ingredients, then bring to a boil and simmer for an hour over low heat. Use the mixture to brush your teeth for 5 minutes twice a month. It'll prevent plaque and tartar formation on your teeth. Proper and regular dental hygiene is vital for your oral health. The following tips will help you keep your dental hygiene at an optimal level. Tips: never miss a day to brush your teeth. Ideally, you should brush after each meal or at least twice a day. Spend at least 2 minutes brushing. Always choose milder toothpaste, as most conventional types contain harsh chemicals that hamper your oral pH. Floss every night before bedtime to remove food residues that remains stuck between teeth. Use a mouthwash regularly. The natural varieties which you can make at home, such as thyme and mint infusion, are the best ones. You can also mix seawater and regular water in a ratio 1:2. For plaque deposits that won't come off, visit a dentist, but don't do the plaque removing procedure too often, as it can damage your tooth.